So today we had a 66 points overnight volume profile, which means I'm marking overnight volume profile low and high, and some other low volume nodes that had strong reactions. Also, I marked high and low from value area, and I would be showing you why I took this trade. Okay, basically at the beginning of the session we had some trending price, but after a while we are chopping, so we don't want to take a trade here. And basically I am not trading like ping-ponging in this value area because it's very hard to find a good setup, and because of like many participants being here, it's not a solid one. If for example some absorption came, it would come a little bit lower and then it could make a rally upside. And yeah, basically I waited for this setup almost, yeah, I waited more than an hour, but it was worth it, and I took short. And I didn't took it from here because basically if you see a strong trend, you don't want to, after you see absorption, for example in here, not like this, plus finished auction, you don't want to ping pong it because it's pretty hard to do it, but you want to wait for a price to come a little bit lower like I did. And I waited for the price to come a little bit lower, so absorption, finish auction, and targeted from here to the nearest low volume node, which is on a value area. Okay, this is this situation. Okay, now looking at this candle, what's happening? We're looking to see a finished auction and absorbed or exhausted buyers. So let's have a look. Okay, we're seeing them being absorbed for a little bit. Okay, still not finished auction. Okay, we saw like 242 to 160, and after it got refreshed, we have, like you can see, we had a 16 here and 16 here and 116 here, and after it got refreshed we had 0 right here and 1 and only 1 right here, so it means they're exhausted, but we're still waiting for a finished auction, so we won't enter right now. Still seeing them fighting. Oh, exactly, we had 97, and after it got refreshed we had 0, only 1, so that means that they are exhausted. We also see finished auction for right now. Not participating that much. Yeah, and basically after it got refreshed 160, we're seeing only 3. So I entered right here on this candle. No, it entered right on this short candle because of a delay. And you can see finished auction, we had a small absorption and then they were exhausted after a refresh. So it was a good confluence for me to take a short, and after that we went lower. So yeah, that would be all. Remember to be patient and stick to your rules. Bye.